Okay, we are here at Los Gueros.
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 Numero dos.
Numero dos. Okay, thank you. Getting some tacos. Here are my tacos. Other friends. Hello. Hi guys. Did you eat your tacos yet?
Not yet.
Okay,
We'll figure out what's what.
okay, we'll do our reviews later. Utensils sponsored by Nick and Elisa's wedding.
I don't know if that's true.
Also, our table is sponsored by Nathan's car.
Green is hotter. Our table's good is Nathan's car. Not sponsored by.
Oh, you're right. Sorry, Steven. Always got to be corrected by Steven. I'm ready. Oh. Da, da, da. LOL, they didn't go up at the same time.
I'm gonna wake up from sleep.
Wow, looks cool. Cool. Dinner and a show.
Wow.
Oh. All right, so now we're at Hans. I got the coffee Oreo and chocolate. What did you get?
I got s'mores and coffee Oreo.
Oh, nice. Oh, we got the same. Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you get? She got ice cream. Bye, Mallory. What did you get? Oh, it's so dark. But oh well.
Peach and almond rose.
Wow, that is very interesting.
Very contrasting.
I didn't know you were a peach girl.
You know, I usually am not a foodie person, but peach sounds refreshing.
Hey, way to be adventurous. Yes, little. Yeah, I did it in like college, and then I kind of quit after, and then now I'm back. Because that's it. Yes, because of
What brings you back?
getting this thing. Alrighty, haven't vlogged this little bit of my life. It happened about a week ago. I just haven't had time to vlog about it. Basically, I got a new car, and it was kind of crazy and kind of fast, but I just wanted to show you all because I had to document this whole process. But ta-da! My brand new CRV. Couldn't get anything else. Had to stay in the CRV family. But yeah, there she is. Let's get the full 360. Wow. Alrighty. Yeah. So, that's what she looks like. Oh, I also named my car. I named her Pearl because the color of her is called Platinum White Pearl. But also, that makes me officially the mother of Pearl. If you know, you know. Not sure if it's showing on camera, but it's not completely white. There's like a little bit of a sparkle, and that's what makes the color Platinum White Pearl.
Oh!
So we're here at Raintree. We just finished a game of golf that I so luckily did not lose.
She was physical.
I was
She's at
super
99, guys.
So now we're watching Michelle and David do their punishment. Michelle has to eat garlic. David has to eat hot sauce.
Oh, Michelle! A little. Please, let's like. That's yummy.
It actually smells really good.
Oh wait, that's a lot.
That's a lot.
That's like 2 spoonfuls.
It's on one straight.
Okay.
Just swallow.
Uh,
Do you want me to hold the chicken for you? Do you need it? Here, I'll just.
Michelle, ready? Alright. Golf punishment.
Hey, you have to go 1 minute without chicken.
Do it for Adrian's vlog.
What? Minute without
Yeah, you can't eat it right away. You have to go. Wait, where's my timer? What?
This is not discussed beforehand.
You got it. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You're good.
Go.
She's burning time!
Here.
Turn the timer off! She's watching.
You got it?
You're good. You're good. Yeah. Yeah.
Don't throw up, dude.
I have paper towel. Where's my?
I'm not.
She's not gonna throw up.
Oh, are you gonna? Oh, I'll just go
Yeah,
then.
whatever. Oh my god!
Just don't chew it. Just
Yeah, just swallow it. Okay, I swallowed it.
Oh, dang.
Cat, 1 minute. 1 minute.
It's not too bad.
You're good. You're good.
Yummy?
Does it burn?
No, I just swallowed it.
Dang. Hello, guys. Hot sauce?
Ready?
Wait, do you have water ready? Does he have a water?
You have water? Can you mix it? I don't know if water's gonna help.
1, 2, 3. The whole thing.
Oh my goodness.
That's actually not that bad. It's swallowable.
Really? It's not that bad.
Man, he's never had it before, clearly.
Really? It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Are you crying?
I eat halal guys all the time.
You're like crying.
No, he's struggling.
He's crying. Alright, okay, you're good. Keep quiet.
No, I said 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Oh.
Okay.
It's like not bad.
That's
It's
crying.
not as bad as most times.
It's not bad.
That's why. Are you sure? Is it 4 stripes?
Buy some more. Hey, Amazon. Oh.
Alright. Decided to vlog a little bit because nothing has really happened this past month. And I figured I might as well tell you the story of my ordeal today. So last night, we were playing games with some of our NorCal homies. We were playing Among Us. So we were up pretty late till like 1. And I was like, oh man, tomorrow's gonna be rough because I'm not gonna get enough sleep. So I woke up and I was like, oh man, we can do this. I was driving to work and I was like, we got this, we can do this. I'm awake, I feel alive. Got my coffee. Shout out to Emily, this was on her. So I was driving to work and then I parked and I got out of my car, and as I opened the door and was about to close my car door, for some reason my thumb was still in the door area. So I slammed the car door on my thumb. And holy moly, the pain was unreal. I think I was in shock for a little bit. And I was like, this is not happening, this is not happening. And I just looked at my thumb and it was bleeding like crazy. And I was like, all right, well, trying not to cry in the parking lot, I like ran into the office, got my ice pack out of my lunchbox. Luckily, I keep an ice pack. And I was just like putting it on my thumb. But then I went to the bathroom to try to like compose myself. But the pain was so bad and my finger was like bloody that I was kind of freaking out because I can't really handle blood. So I literally got like lightheaded and like dizzy. And I was like, oh man, I'm gonna pass out. I'm gonna pass out here on the bathroom floor. But I just like squatted down and tried to like breathe and not look at my thumb because it was freaking me out. And I was just like, oh man, if I pass out, no one's gonna find me for a while because it's just my boss here. But you know what? We made it, and I stopped. Like I calmed down a little bit so that I could like stand up and not fall over. It just kind of felt like, you know, when you like get up too fast and then like everything goes blurry and like you fight for a little bit. But yeah, that was me. And I just like went back to my desk after like I pulled myself together. I was just sitting there icing my thumb and hoping that it wasn't broken or anything. Luckily, I looked at it. It just looked like I scraped a chunk of skin off and it was bleeding a lot, like right where the nail meets the skin. But yeah, that was just my Friday morning, because, like, you know, why not? Just a regular day in the life of Adrian. But yeah, just thought I'd share that because got nothing else going on in this vlog, I think. Thanks for tuning in.
Whoa!
Saturday morning, getting brunch with Amanda. Hi! Here at Breakfast Republic, here's our food. This is the Cluck Madame Eggs Benedict. Yours is the breakfast burrito. Wow! Ooh, that shot though. Cool! Alright, stop number 2. We are at Baskin Robbins because it's the 31st. Getting our ice cream. This is some sort of sherbet. What is yours? Pumpkin cheesecake. Yay! For those of you who don't know, me and Amanda have been attempting to meet up every 31st for the past 5 years. And we're still going strong. 5 years. Except they don't have the deal anymore, which is kind of sad. They used to have a deal on 31st for $1.50 ice cream, but not anymore because COVID. But it's okay. Ah.